Welcome to another session of our class under probability. We are going to look at relative frequency. Okay, and under relative frequency, you'll be given a frequency table whereby you find the frequency of the event that may be asked in the question. Okay, so you look at the event and then you look at the frequency of that event, and then you divide by what? By the total frequency. So we can say that relative frequency is equal to frequency of an event over the total frequency. Okay, so this is about relative frequency. Okay, so I'm going to give an example and then we look at how we are going to solve it. Okay, so let's look at this example. Okay, so let's look at the question. The table below shows the distribution of ages of students in a class. So we have our frequency table. We have the age in years 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then the number of students, that is the frequency. So 16, 2 students, 17, 8 students, 18, 4 students, 19 years, 4 students, 22, 2 students. And it says if the student is selected at random, find the probability that he is A, 19 years. So let's take it one by one. A, 19 years. So if you are supposed to select a student at random, you will find the probability that the student is 19 years. So because it's probability, one, we have to know the total frequency or the total number of students. So since he's talking about students, so total number of what? Of students. So we are going to add for 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 8 will give us 10 plus 4, 14 plus another 4, 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, so the total frequency is 20. Then now, you will find the probability that the student selected is 19 years. So a probability of 19 years. Okay, 19 years. So you look at 19 years. How many students are 19 years? 4 students. So 4 divided by the total number of students, 20. And what is 4 over 20? 4 goes into itself 1, 4 goes into 25. So the probability will be 1 over 5. 1 over 5. And then B, probability of at least 18 years. So at least 18 years means 18 years or more. And if you look at the table, the highest age is 20 years. So it means at least 18 or more means that 18 years, 19 years, and then 20 years. So those who are 18 years or more than 18, okay, that is at least 18, 19, and 20. So you are going to add the number of students that are 18 and more. Okay, so 18, you have 4 students, 19, 4 students, 20, 2 students. So we add 4 plus 4 and then plus 2. And then we know those who are at least 18. So at least 18 is 18, 19, and 20. So we have 4 plus 4 plus what? Plus 2 divided by the total number of students, 20. So 4 plus 4 will give us 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 over 20 will give us 1 over 2. So the probability of at least 18 years is 1 over 2. And then the C, at most, probability of at most 17 years. Okay, so what is at most 17? At most means that the highest age should be 17. That is 17 or less. Okay, and the least age here is 16. So 17 or below. So 17 and what? And 16. So at the most, at the highest, it should be 17. So we have 17 and 16. So how many students? 2 plus 8. So that will give us 2 plus 8 divided by what? The highest, the total number of students, that is 20. That's also 10 over 20. And that will give us 1 over 2. Okay, so the probability of at most 17 years is also 1 over 2. Alright, so let's look at the last one. probability of not more 19, no, so it should be not more than 19 years. All right, sorry, not more than. Probability that the student, find the probability that he is not more than 19 years. Okay, so we are going to look at students that are not more than 19 years. It means that 19 years or below, they shouldn't be more than 19. All right, so how many students are not more than 19? So 16 years is not more than 19, 17 is not more than 19, 18 is not more than 19, and then the 19 itself is also not more than itself. So you add the number of students, that is 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. So 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18. Over the total frequency, which is 20. So we have 18 over 20. So 18 over 20 will give us, okay, so 2 goes into 18, 9. And then 2 goes into 20, that will give us 10. So the probability is what? It's 9 out of 10. It's 9 out of 10. So our probability of not more than 90 years is 9 out of 10. So sometimes the question can even ask you, not less than. So the not less than is what? Also like at least. It means that value or what? Or more, not less than. Okay. So this is about the relative frequency. And I know it is so simple. When you get a question, be able to solve. Make sure you also go through our channel whenever you open our link, and there are a lot of topics out there to help you. I know I will see you once again.